install WinSCP and create a connection to our Linux server. Navigate to winscp.net. Download. Don't click too fast or you'll go to this advertisement. Scroll down and find this where it's going to download the setup.exe file. I use most of the default options with WinSCP. I've never had any trouble with it. Typical installation, commander interface. I've never even tried the other interface. You can ignore this advertisement. I like to uncheck the Open Getting Started page. It just opens a tab in the browser. Okay, our host name is syccuxas01.pcc.edu. Username is the same as your regular PCC username. Your password, if you haven't set your own password on our Linux server, it's initially your G number with the uppercase G and no space before the numbers. First time you connect, you'll see this message. You can just click yes. And I'm connected. I'm going to close this WinSCP, and it's going to give me an option to save my connection settings. So don't click yes or you'll lose your settings. Click no, and then you can. I'll usually just leave these default options. Okay, so now I've connected, I've closed it. So let's start it up again. Here's my saved connection. It's going to prompt for my password. And I'm connected.